Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Priority Pass account. First, determine if your credit card offers a complimentary membership, as many premium cards do. Next, locate your specific enrollment code or invitation link, which is usually provided by your card issuer. Finally, navigate to the official Priority Pass website to begin the straightforward registration process. This initial step ensures you're on the right path to accessing airport lounges. Once on the website, you'll need to accurately input your personal information, such as your full name, address, and contact details. If you're not enrolling through a complimentary credit card offer, you will provide your payment information to purchase a membership plan. Remember to create a strong, unique password for your account to ensure its security. Double-check all entries before proceeding to the next step. After submitting your details, take a moment to carefully review all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. You will then receive an email with a verification link. Click this link to confirm your email address and activate your account. Finally, download the Priority Pass mobile application to easily access your digital membership card and explore lounge options on the go. This completes your account setup. With your account active, you can now explore the extensive lounge directory within the app or on the website to find participating locations at airports worldwide. When you arrive at a lounge, simply present your digital or physical membership card for seamless entry. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Enjoy the comfort and amenities of airport lounges on your travels, making every journey more relaxing and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.